So what has been, with your journey, what has been the number one advice that you would want to give to the VAs who are starting out? Of course, not saying that this is something that you can always pursue because everyone has their own set of pacing. And but for you who has been with us for almost 5 years, what's like one piece of advice that you would like to give to our VAs who just started now?
I guess it's, I know we came from different fields. Some of us were PO, fresh graduates, and all. It's not that it's hard, but you can always learn everything. I guess it's more on the ability to learn and accept feedback because that's very important. Because from along the way, you really need to of course, be receptive to feedback because it's not all the time that you are correct. I know there is always a learning curve.
Yeah.
And of course, it's very important to make sure that you are a good communicator as well.
Okay.
It's a very essential.
Very good. Thank you so much. I like that you mentioned about feedback. So I would always tell everyone here, feedback is a gift because that means the giver cares for all of us.